make them bounce.
So hello, welcome back to my channel guys, and today I brought a new branded pen drive. You can see, so it is very stretchable pen drive and it is very good quality pen drive. The storage of this pen drive is 64 GB guys. So the company of this pen drive is real company is IDEX Fire and Safety. It is a safety pen drive. You can buy it from Amazon, and company written in this pen drive are Govinda, Vortex, फिर AWG, फिर Lucas and Akron. So it is also very good company. So we can like this, close like this, and we can wear like this. Everybody says that it is a watch, but it is real in a pen drive. So we wear like this. So we can wear like this. So it is a very good pen drive guys. I suggest you have to buy this pen drive. So the price of this pen drive is 400, 500 as well as, so I buy from Amazon. It is its price is 600 guys. So today is a sale day, so you can buy it from Amazon at rupees 500. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and comment. Please guys subscribe my channel also, and bye guys.